What's happening there, wonderful people? Andre here from Microsoft, and it's my absolute pleasure to be unboxing a brand new 15-inch laptop from Dell. So here it is, the brand new 15-inch 3000 series laptop from Dell. Let's get unboxing. So this is it here. I wanted to start with the external box because one of the interesting things that Dell have done with the new laptops is that they're using a lot of recycled materials. So even the external packaging, so this is up to 90% recycled materials. Some of the internal parts are up to 100% recycled materials. So I just thought I'd start with that. So getting inside. So this inside holder here, this is 100% recycled material. So this is really good from Dell, that they're being a lot more environmentally conscious. So you get inside the packaging, got your usual chargers. Kettle cable connector, standard charging brick, nothing too large, so this is really good size for portability. Older charging bricks used to be much larger than these, so this is really nice to see. But let's get to the real thing, the laptop. This guy here.
Featuring the 11th generation Intel Core i5 processor with the 256GB SSD option for responsive and quiet performance. This model also comes with 8GB of DDR4 RAM for all the performance you need for your daily tasks.
So this is it, the 15-inch 3000 series Dell laptop. One of the really interesting things about these guys is that they're using post-consumer recycled plastics, so they're taking steps towards being much more environmentally friendly brand and keeping plastics out of landfills. So really nice looking design, as you can see, much nicer than your older 15-inch laptops used to be, much leaner and meaner. So let's open her up. Really nice smooth opening there. Really nice looking keyboard, so this is 6.3% larger keycaps than what they used to have. You've got your alphanumeric keys, a really nice trackpad, so it's a really good looking overall package.
All painted parts use low, volatile organic compounds waterborne paint. Get more screen in a 15.6-inch laptop with 3 side narrow borders for an immersive Full HD viewing experience. Utilizing 720p at 30 frames per second HD camera and single integrated microphone for excellent clarity when making video calls or Microsoft Teams.
So I've got it powered on now, really good looking unit. You can see the screen motion is really nice when you're closing it. So I guess what you call is everyday tough. It's designed to last through sort of your day-to-day use, tiny rubber feet underneath, with little bumpers on the hinge as well to stop it from skidding as you're moving it around. When you lift it up, it actually does lift the body of the laptop up just a little bit more for a better ergonomic design. So a little bit more comfortable for when you're using it. You can see from here. And we close it. Hibernation. Open it back up. It'll be straight back on. Back in, we're running Windows 11 of course.
Dynamic doesn't begin to describe this duo. Together, Windows 11 and Dell PCs create a best-in-class experience. Always ready experience starts as soon as you open your device. Turn on, boot up and log in quickly with adaptive connected modern standby. The Dell Inspiron 3000 comes with express charge capabilities that minimizes the time you spend tethered to an outlet and will recharge your battery up to 80% in 60 minutes.
Well, that's it for me today, guys, but be sure to keep your eyes on all of our socials for the latest previews and unboxing of Windows and Microsoft products. Bye for now.